tuck in the front. You're going to take a cutter. We're going to go right on the side at a 45-degree angle, and we're going to put them right on top. Now, with the rest, I'm going to cut at a 45-degree angle, go in once, go in twice, and we're going to push that to the side. Do the same thing at the next one. Take off the top of each. So I'm going to place that here. Take off the top of this one, place that there. Dip my fingers in a little bit of flour. We're going to push into the dough, and then we're just going to roll it over one time. We're going to flip it over. Flip it just like that. Do the same thing for this one. Push in, roll over. Now I'm going to lift up from the back and then place the first leg and then also the second leg. And now we're going to form our back legs. Take the two pieces. We're going to go right up under the center, and this is going to give a little bit of height. And if you can tell what we're making a turkey. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab and we're going to place right into our casserole baking tray. All right, so we need to season it a little bit. So I'm going to do that with a little bit of butter. Push in, have some fresh chopped garlic, and then also parsley. And now, once you rub it in just to those sides, I'm going to take it over, and I have a torch, and now we're just going to melt it over it. So just go in a circle pattern. So once we've glazed it, I'm going to put this to the side, turn our torch off, and now it's time to go into a preheated oven, 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And now it is on to our next step. Follow me here. So I have some cranberry sauce. Woo, good stick. Little trick for you at home. You're going to flatten this over. Now I'm going to cut off a few pieces. And now follow me here. And what you can do, you can take some string and you can go around it. And we're going to tie it tight. And what you can do, you can start pulling it. And now we've just cut the brie. All right, so for this next step, you're gonna take a spoon, and your brie's gonna go out pretty easily. You're gonna go around in a circle. So I'm gonna make a little ball in the center, and now follow me here, and you're gonna lay it right into the centerpiece. And I'm gonna continue to do this, laying in the centerpiece. So now we have a little cranberry flower for you. All right, so now we're almost to our final. I'm gonna take a serrated knife, and what you'll do, you'll cut in, going in a circle pattern. Don't make sure not to burn your hands. Just kind of get up under it, and then you'll be able to pick it up. And so from this end that we're actually going to be creating what is called a bread bowl back home. Tear off big pieces, just like so. And you can put those on the side of the dish. All right, so I'm going to take my last piece out. Now I have my brie with my cranberry, and you're going to put it right on top. And then now you're just going to kind of push it in, fold it in on its corners, and everything will sit in. And so we want it to sit in pretty snugly tight, as I like to say. And then lastly, got a little bit of thyme. I'm going to put that right at the end, flare that out. Now, seeing that we're doing a dip, we need it to be hot. So we're going to go in the hot oven. All right, so guys, this is what it looks like whenever it comes out. So your thyme is going to be a little bit dried. So what you can do is actually sprinkle it over, give it a little cool little effect. I'm going to place it right back down. Grab your piece of bread, go down in. You want to get some of everything. Just like that. I'm going to put a little brie on, and then also a little bit of cranberry. Whoop, slipping. I'll get it, I promise. All right, there we go.